Welcome to this truly exceptional and one-of-a-kind estate located in Westchester. This stunning modern smart home has undergone a complete renovation and is a true masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. As you approach the property, you will be immediately struck by the attention to detail and the sense of style that has been imbued in every aspect of this home. The custom water feature that greets you at the entrance serves as a beautiful art piece and sets the tone for the luxurious and sophisticated experience that awaits you inside. The kitchen is a true chef's dream, with top-of-the-line appliances, an abundance of counter space, and a spacious center island with built-in bench seating. The kitchen overlooks the private backyard, allowing you to keep an eye on your children or pets while you prepare meals. The exterior pocket doors allow you to seamlessly bring the outdoors in, creating a cohesive and harmonious flow between the indoor and outdoor spaces.
Took my heartbeat a song. We found love as the leaves turn brown.
Stepping into the home, you will be immediately struck by the open and airy layout, thanks in large part to the elegant 11-foot-tall ceilings. The bright and spacious interior is flooded with natural light, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that is sure to make you feel right at home. If entertaining is your thing, then this home is sure to please. The rooftop deck, equipped with an outdoor kitchen and bar, is the perfect place to host a summer BBQ or evening cocktail party. The spacious backyard, complete with a pool, jacuzzi, and outdoor kitchen, offers plenty of options for hosting large events or intimate gatherings. Smart home technology is integrated throughout the property, allowing you to easily control the security system, /C, lighting, pool, audio, and more from the comfort of your phone. This feature is especially convenient when you are away from home, as you can keep an eye on things and ensure that everything is running smoothly.
My heartbeat a song.
Located just minutes from shopping centers and the beach, this estate is the perfect place to call home. Whether you are looking for a luxurious primary residence or a vacation home that will allow you to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, this property has it all.